Meaning of hurtfully.
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 Hurtfully. The word hurtfully is an adverb that means to cause emotional or physical pain, distress, or injury to someone. It implies that the action or behavior was intended to cause harm or was done with a lack of consideration for the other person's feelings. The result of acting hurtfully towards others can be devastating, causing feelings of betrayal, anger, and sadness. It can damage relationships and make it difficult for individuals to trust others. In summary, behaving hurtfully towards others is never justified and can have long-term consequences on both the victim and the perpetrator.